Marjorie, because of the breakdown of the, we need to finish the final part. So please tell the employer why they can hire you and trust that you can finish 2-year contract, even your baby so young.
Okay, sir. Mom, sir, please choose me as your helper because I will promise you that I will do my best for your family and I will do my duties properly. Don't worry about my 2 months old daughter because my mother-in-law and my husband will take care of her. And and I will promise you that I will not break my contract and I will finish it no matter what. Thank you, Mom, sir.
TW2350咧，我俾個 rating 係 A 加嘅。佢25歲，單身但有 partner，亦都啱啱有個 baby 2歲。咁佢已經係住咗喺個男朋友屋企。咁佢話個 mother-in-law 啊，佢 husband 啊，佢個 sister 都可以照顧個 baby。佢就唔係好擔心，但係佢需要揾錢，因為佢男朋友咧就揾得唔夠，佢需要出去打工養家，所以佢都願意早早出嚟。咁佢會喺 day off 啊，或者休息嘅時間同屋企人咧有溝通，所以個空隙個問題對佢唔係好大。佢話佢2年內都唔會即係翻去探 baby 啦，會完咗約之後先翻去一次，又再翻嚟。咁呢個情況喺菲律賓其實都有嘅，問題就係信唔信得佢過，即係有嗰個即係唔會太受空隙嗰個影響。咁我覺得呢個即係因為佢其他條件都好好嘅，樣貌又好啦，英文又好啦，又教中學啲學生即係 science 啦，所以佢可以教小朋友一啲功課，咁可以湊 baby 啦，因為之前都湊過，而家有一個。咁種種條件夾埋咧，我覺得可以一試咯。咁就我俾個 rating 係 A 加嘅，可以湊 baby 啦，湊小朋友都係可以。